Jida Kerala Sahalas and Slayer. Very respected Treasurer TK Janab Thangal, the President of whose function, Sri Mipinas Kumar, Chairman of Alumni Association TKMCE, other members of the Trust, my seniors, alumni, faculty members, staff, students, and family members. I wish you a great day. And on the occasion of the nation celebrating the 77th Republic Day, I wish you greetings on behalf of TKM College of Engineering. My entrusted duty is to inaugurate this event. However, when I was standing at the central portico after the flag unfurling ceremony, many of the senior members of 1976 DAX was very eagerly moving around the campus and telling me that no, the campus has been changed a lot. Then I thought, okay, I should tell it, the campus has not just been changed in this infrastructure, we have changed in our soul as well. I just want to mention to you the aspect of when I say that something has happened, I should point out what are the changes that is happening at the campus. So I am taking the time to tell what is happening in our campus. I know that this is a ceremony. Typically, it's an alumni day where it is an alumni family meet and jamboree meeting. This particular alumni day is the receipt of the Scholarship Award. We want that all the members as a secret fraternity should be here with the honor of him, and that's why we have chosen this date for this event. Before I go beyond marks at the pointers, let me thank you all for gathering here by understanding the importance of the event. And sir, I feel that this is a respect shown by the fraternity to you on the receipt of this award. And I should thank you all for being present in this UHR. When it say that we have changed the law, I know that this auditorium was not there in 1976. And I know that this set of huge pans were not there in 1976. And the building was partially completed. And many of the seniors were telling that the course PD director, Ahatsa, who was sitting on the corner room of the main block. Now things have changed a lot. Now from 2022 onwards, we are autonomous, academically autonomous. That means we have the freedom to design our curriculum. We have the freedom to design our evaluation, assessment and all. And the recommended students for the degree will be awarded by the university. That's our range. So when we get such a freedom, we should utilize that opportunity. We have done extensive work by taking input from alumni, experts, academicians, industrialists, researchers and all to groom our syllabus and curriculum. Though we have started with the commercial curriculum of Kerala University 2022, from 2023 onwards, we are running our own parity. In our curriculum, there are now project-based courses, lab-integrated courses, internship for 6 months is compulsory. The students are going to industry, faculty are getting trained. There are courses without any written and semester examination where students will have to demonstrate their capability by showing and deriving things. You know the results. Now our students are getting patents. 9 students in the campus are now holding patents within the 4 agency. Many of the students are having high quality keyword publications within the core years of their BTech or BA curriculum. Many of the students are going for internship abroad. And many are doing collaborative research with foreign universities that Dr. Sumir was addressing. We are expanding our domain by connecting with like-minded quality people across the world, and our students are getting very fair. And when I say that we are changing, there is one important point I had to tell you before you, that 183 students of TKM College of Engineering closed 8th examination last year. And that's a huge number if you take any institution across India. And the older 120 and already around 45 are from TKM College of Engineering. When I come to the placement activities, last year, 447 jobs for students, 66 internship, that are paid internship. We have an average LPA, CTC of 5.7 LPA last year, 2025 passed facts. And the highest salary was 90.5 lakhs per annum, and that was obtained by 2 students of computer science. This year we are again improving. Here this year the highest CTC is 21 lakhs per annum, and 5 students secured it from across branches. Now the average CTC is again increased to 5.96 till today, and it is going. And you know, the analog device with famous company in electronics, they have taken students for an internship. Few of the students now got internship for 80,000 for their as their stipend, and the salary will be disturbed only after completing their internship pay. And when I say that the students are performing at it based, and I should not forget the name of a company, Jinko contracting company of our Chandran sir. He is right away, he is sitting here. For the past 4 years, he is recruiting 27 students of his age. And when we met in UAE last March in November, he said that more students will be required. And you know, one more very importantly, brother, that all the students who were placed there are happy in their work, and that's a specific thing I should mention in this gathering, not when I get in back. And many of the alumni have wholeheartedly offered internship, placement, and when we move around the world. And you know, it's a very high opportunity for our students to work hard and demonstrate their skills. As Sudhir mentioned, we have many collaborations with the university. This year alone, we have collaboration with the University of Newcastle, Australia, University of Honolulu, Kollam, then with Tokyo Metropolitan University, Japan. 2 of our faculty members, Dr. Riju and Dr. Baiju, went for collaborative research at University of Newcastle for 1 month. And you know, we have now combined publication between Newcastle University, Highline University, and TKM College of Engineering. We send out specimens for evaluation experiments and all there. We do our simulations, computations and all. We are good at computations. We don't have much infrastructure. Infrastructure is there in other universities, and they are doing it. Experimentation results, evaluations and all. So combined, we are doing it. We are combinedly developing materials or the new medium development in the Jakarta Metropolitan University. So that's the ways we are progressing. And the document of our university has offered internship for 50 students of TKM College of Engineering and Civil Engineering last year. And you know, in order to enhance the innovative ecosystem, we have a drone and a robotic application center. As Dr. Sudhir mentioned, we are going much towards the greener environment, the greener concept by implementing the solar project. Apart from that, I should mention that the Department of Mechanical Engineering has developed electric e-auto. We don't call it as e-auto, e-mobility vehicle, but it's like a pickup auto electric vehicle. And we have got order for manufacturing that from industry. You know, few intelligent, smart students of electrical and electronics engineering, they have developed an e-bike, bicycle. They name it as ASCII, and now they are searching for funding. And they have registered it as a startup. When I say about alumni engagement, I should specifically mention about a campus-wide industry connect movement. Specifically, the movement of the 1989 alumni of this college. Most of them are entrepreneurs. They are now coming back to the campus, grooming our students with an idea or with the goal of make at least 6 workable startups within 3 years. You know, when they called for ideas and all, the ideas were tremendous, and now they are filtering it out. Now they are working with 10 startup ideas, and they believe that they will go agile. Right now we have a seeds incubation center that was mainly funded by 1997 batch alumni of TKM College of Engineering. 6 startups of students are working in our campus. So the things are changing. That's why I said, when I say our internship placement startup companies placement, we are 8 and all. We are literally changing a lot. A specific thing that happened last year is we are now regularly conducting counseling session for entire staff of TKM College of Engineering with the leadership of our ancestral psychologist of TKM College of Engineering, Dr. Silpa Palakar. How to deal with Gen Z is a question for us. So we are conducting that to make our relationship with the students better. So our students, the faculty members, staff are getting connected to this kind of counseling sessions as well. Thus, we are going ahead. When I say that we are going ahead, actually we are moving much in a faster pace. For this, when I mentioned this set of marks, you could understand that the way by which the alumni are interacting with the college, you have the opportunity, see open and wide opportunity to interact, to give back an alma mater. I suggest to please edify us. If you at all you have any different way also for interact with us, we are really very happy to help you. Before I come to the entrusted duty, I should mention about one more thing. That is about this function. This function is meant for felicitating our chairman for the receipt of Telesty Award as well. When we thought of how we can make the process or even better, we have chosen this day because we wanted the presence of elite minds in the standards. And all the global alumni that's participation is present in the campus, and we are very happy. Adding the sugar to that, we were thinking of developing a memento. And an idea of a different memento it came out of discussion, and I shared with our Dean Alumni Affairs, Sujit. Sujit suggested, okay, we can go with that memento or a special that memento was a special supplement. We have developed special supplement with the coordination of Dr. Kanyan on Vaidarian. And I should mention that the T with the Tanya as the coordinator, Dr. Annie John of Architecture Professor, Dr. Amalasa Sahib, Dr. Suhir, Professor Sajjad Badusha of Architecture, Professor Mohanabishin of Architecture, they have designed it. So it was a collective job. Earlier, ഞാൻ ഇന്റർവ്യൂവിൽ രവീന്ദ്രത്തിനുള്ള സംഗീതത്തിനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിൽ. അദ്ദേഹം മരിച്ചുപോയി. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഇന്റർവ്യൂ കേട്ടതാണ്. അദ്ദേഹം യേശുദാസിന് വേണ്ടി വളരെ ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായൊരു ഗാനം ചിട്ടപ്പെടുത്തി അത് ഇസ്ലാമിനെ ഏൽപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ തിരിച്ച് വിൽക്കുന്നത് 150 മടങ്ങായിട്ടാണ് എന്നുള്ളൂ. So when I entrusted such a team leading with Dr. Sudhir, with the support of Dr. Ayub and the coordination of Dr. Tanya, actually, idupoleയാണ് അവർ പൂക്കാലം തിരിച്ചു വന്ന ഒരു എഫക്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു അവർ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ. I am very happy. Thank you so much for the team for the wonderful effort. And I should mention that everyone who they have contacted supported with whole bottom of the heart, and that's why they have come up with as a very good outcome. That is the beauty. Even with all your permission, may I declare that this SEISO 2026, the alumni day gathering, open. Thank you so much, Jay.